Can we create multiple accounts with one number on Telegram? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you whether we can create multiple accounts with one number on Telegram. So let's get started. So if you wish to add multiple accounts within your one Telegram application, you gotta head over to settings. And once you are redirected to settings, you gotta click on edit or the three dot at the top right. After that, you gotta click on logout. So you'll be able to see the option of logout. You can simply log out and add in any account you want. But however, if you want multiple accounts at the same time on the same application, you gotta click on add another account. So the thing is that if you type in the same number that you have added in your other account, you wouldn't be able to create another account. So in order to create a new account, you gotta add a new number that is not used earlier. So you gotta simply type down any new number that you want, and then you will get a verification code on the new number, and then you can sync your contacts. All of these contacts that you have on your phone will also be available on that number and on the new Telegram account. So you can simply click on continue, type down your number, click on continue, you'll get the verification code, type that down, and you're good to go. You can simply switch between your multiple accounts and enjoy using multiple accounts on Telegram. But the thing is that you can't do that with the same number. You gotta use different numbers. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.